Rengkat borok kuai ke pertai, bad hakani karihi borok kuai. Hakani ke jela jungiru la rakhe ya kasni bakar pang ban kantiau ya ki kam chok kai pertai. Ne ya ke balatep ka wall tourism day. Hakani ke jela ya kini ke jera rakhe la pelong nen kasni ka arpanre turik umlai lor. Haso so tham auditorium Shillong. Ya ke bala pelong da ke jing tai lang hap dan katnat social welfare bar katnat tourism. Hakani ke jing rakhe u parliamentary secretary bakmi ya katnat tourism u ba Kennedy C. Cream. Lolong kongsan. Balai dan langru ki officer jo kini ki art likitnat. Hadian ke jelang nen kasngi la pelong ru ya kelempong aja kai ya ki breu ki batrei na benta ban kan tiau ki kam chok kai pertai. Bad hadian kani kala don ru ka jipun inam ya ki tiar ki babonjan ki balasna ki breu ki badan cingduna ki department.
On this World Tourism Day, let us recognize that all people can and should be able to participate in tourism and enjoy unforgettable travel experiences. The state of ours tourism industries has to be diversified, whether it is the social, cultural, or environmental aspects. All of these aspects bring about a sense of pride for the people who work so hard to maintain the balance of equality of tourism that is present